Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make paper airplanes that will fly. Trust me, better than any others. Its flying quality is the best. For we take an A4 sheet of paper, or a sketchbook page, or a page from any notebook. It can be a graph notebook, or lined, any kind will do. But we don't take a double sheet, we take a half if it's going to be. With the notebook, in this particular case, we take a standard A4 size sheet of paper. We fold these two sides like this. Make sure these two corners are aligned neatly with each other. Neatly. And what we've got here isn't tight, they're not close to each other either. Not here, hold it steady. From the tip, like this, you'll be able to enjoy it with you. Now we take along this line and the circle we fold it here. The corners here should be even. And here we did it. Here's what we done. Now, we fold these two parts like this. We fold it like this. We leave it here. A little triangle at the bottom. Here. And these two edges we fold. We try to align everything during the process. Don't crumple the paper too much at the edges. It should be as smooth and tight as possible. Here's what we ended up with. Now we'll use this tail. We push these two edges, our edges. This is what we... Now we carefully flip it over to the other side and gently fold it in half. Slowly. So that on this side, and this was tight, here's a piece of wood. This is very important, as these will be our wings, and the size of the wing here, aligning it. We draw a clear line here. So here's what we ended up with. We flipped it over, folded it, and now we're making the wings of our little airplane. It's very important, this angle here. It's best not to fold. Some people make them bigger, trying to improve the flight quality, while others make them smaller, but that's not right. It's best to fold along the edge as well. In this way, we flipped one wing over to the other wing, exactly like that. We fold it here. What was here should be smooth, not. Now we take it, gently spreading it out, and here's our little airplane. We hold it by this part and let it go. I assure you it flies really well, very nicely, whether from the balcony or in the room, but it flies best in calm weather. It's also quite good to launch it outside. You need to throw it gently, with your arm fully extended upwards. Just throw it a little bit at an angle downwards, gently, not too hard, just a light toss. It will glide and fly for a long time, given this size, these angles, and the weight distribution. He gets it because we folded the gravity number down and down here. The wing area, it's larger here than it is here, and it glides for a long time, and well, I'm telling you, the flying quality of this airplane is better than all the others.